Welcome to the Outback. The Great Barrier Reef. Peter Parker. I'm wearing Spider-Man shirts. I figure it's all right for me to say it.
Wu-Tang is for the children.
What is it? Dirty Old Bastard?
Cream, dollar bill, y'all.
So enjoying the good Arizona weather. It's 105 right now. It's fucking terrible. But
what month is it, Angel?
July.
July.
Holy shit, we're already halfway through this shitty year.
Yeah, we've dealt with a lot of shit this year.
Too much shit. But right now, we actually got a little bit of lightning going on, so we're over here on Mill Ave. A Mustang did the Mad Donut before we got here. Well, it would have been dope to actually see it, but, you know, they kind of tainted their spots, so we don't really...
Won't stay here too long.
Yeah, because security's going to be over here like, oh, boys, you got yourself a green Avenger, doing some Mad Donuts?
Just all-wheel drive V6?
Yeah, all-wheel drive V6. The complete opposite of what my car really is. But we're just gonna go, you know, coast around Mill a little bit, kind of go peep some peeps, and
before we do that, Angel, let's tell them how we met. Why we're hanging out right now.
Well, that was because we were both lonely and single. Getting right into the first.
Well, we're getting close to like the year.
We are
Desert Octane, so I just figured.
Because I think it was
why
around...
not explain how we're friends, how this club became what it is.
Well, you see, Anthony pays me to be his friend. I'm an expensive bitch, that's fine. No, because I think it was actually around this time last year we did actually meet each other, just we weren't like, I don't want to say official because that sounds very homoerotic, but...
I think we became friends around May, actually.
It was.
Because I remember it being hot.
Yeah. But, no, Anthony and I met, courtesy to 93's meet hosted with D'Angelo over at the Red Line meet, or was it over on...
Guadalupe and Dobson?
That's what it was. And,
yeah, it was just me, my RX-8, you had... Your Avenger was still teal when we met.
Was it teal?
You were about to peel it and dip it.
That's what it was. That's what it was. Ah, I miss that teal so much.
We had Adam, we had Lance... Old Zach.
That was mostly it. And then Dalton and Tyler
came after
a little bit later.
Yeah, like we've been friends for quite a while.
Back when I was part of, Diversified.
Yeah. Yeah, Desert Octane is pretty much the only club I've been a part of.
I've been a part of a couple of them, and I will say none of them have a feeling like how Desert Octane does, to be straight honest. I think it's just because we all...
How many cars have we done? See, the RX-8, the Frontier, the Genesis. Then we have the Protege 5, we have the Mazda 3, and the Mustang. And now I'm getting something new.
You forgot about the... Wait, are you talking about members or your cars? Did you mention the Miata?
Oh, that's right, Miley. I couldn't forget about Miley.
How could you forget about Miley? My favorite car out of all the cars you've had so far.
Really?
Just because I didn't drive the RX-8. I drove Miley. I didn't actually get to drive the Mustang, though. I never got to drive it.
I feel like you've parked there.
No?
Really?
Nope. I sat in it. I've sat in the wonderful AC that it had.
Yeah, so speaking of which, I am out of the car right now, sadly. The Mustang is gone. Rest in peace. But, I decided to throw off a little free raffle. If you guess the car that I'm getting, get a free key tag.
Why don't you just tell the people you're giving them frees? Never?
No.
Never?
Never.
Not even for the juiciest... I don't even know what you like. Fried chicken?
Yeah, so basically all you have to do is go to the last post Desert Octane is posting, comment what you think the car...
We'll probably put the Instagram right here.
Yeah.
So you can just follow it right there.
Yeah, just comment what car you think I'm getting. If you know what I'm getting...
Disqualified.
Yeah. Basically, if you already know what I'm getting, you're disqualified. And I know who knows. It's a very small circle.
Almost as small as the circle that this Mustang did?
That's a huge circle.
I wouldn't go so far as huge. I think it was good, but I'm going to go so far to call it huge.
Let's show them this big ass small circle, this crop circle that. So
yeah, we'll drive over a little bit too. I better put it
Actually,
here.
no, I got it. So, there it is. It's not huge. As you can see, the Avenger did it.
You know what's funny? If even the cop came over here, like if you just lined up the car, it wouldn't be the same. Like I couldn't even get sideways right here. Like I would just be catching traction all through here. Like, what is this? What is this? What is this? Matt Burnout, guys.
Yeah, so basically, we're just chilling at our little secret garage that everyone knows about.
Yeah, it's something we laid a fat donut on. But yeah, no. So what did you already tell them what they're gonna win if they guess right?
Desert Octane key tag.
Key tag.
Limited quantity, because we're gonna go to a different style pretty soon. So you're gonna get the last.
Am I actually gonna get one?
Yeah, you didn't order one.
I thought we were friends enough.
Do you want the OG key tag or you want the new key tag?
I haven't seen the new one yet, so.
Well, it's still in design.
Does it come with a lighter function?
Yeah. Anyways, you can win that. It's for free. Don't have to pay for shipping. We'll cover that for you too. But yeah, so.
Unless you're in like Antarctica, like.
I doubt. That.
Like if you're watching us in Antarctica, props to you. We'll send you 2 keychains. Like that's commitment right there.
Yeah. So me and Angel are going on a year being friends.
Are we gonna have a friend anniversary?
Actually, I think we're past a year being friends.
Oh, we're guys, so it's okay.
We forget. But Desert Octane's yearly anniversary is coming up. So.
It's crazy. She's gonna be 1 year old. This crazy fucking project though. Started very small and got too big, and now we're just right.
Yeah, we did get a little bit.
It's like we turned into Goldilocks real quick, didn't it?
Yeah, so I thought maybe we could just talk about how we met everybody.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I feel like we should have the people there with us. Kind of like the podcast that we never aired for your birthday.
Sure.
So that's a little bit about us, how we met. But how about on the next one, we take you guys and kind of get to know the club a little bit more. You see the cars, but do you know the people?
I don't think we could get everyone.
We could do it in sections. It'll be like special edition Marissa or special edition John or John.
I think we're having another movie coming up soon.
Oh, we do, don't we?
So stay tuned for that. What else we got? After everyone guesses what car I'm getting, I'm going to do the big reveal, and then there's going to be a whole movie about that. Because I'm going to try
all the hashtags.
I'm going to try to top the Mustang, which is going to be a little bit tough.
I was about to say that Mustang one was pretty spot on.
It's going to be tough, but we're going to see what we can do.
Yeah, definitely. I'm sure everyone will love your Toyota Prius.
I mean, you did give kind of a hint, but not a...
It's a hybrid. All right, let's go hit Mel. Let's go break some necks.
First hour free.
Right. Going straight. Going straight real bad here.
Alright. Sunday. Oh no!
Were you kidding, or? Because we made it.
We did your first burnout.
So each hour daily max is $10. What's our spots? Okay. So no refund or change. Great. Okay. Got to read all the fine print. So do I just? You said 31? Mm-hmm. Oh, welcome. Thank you. Appreciate it. They haven't met me. Alright, okay, do I just put the money in? Oh, here we go. Enter stall number, which it's actually a parking spot, not a stall. Weird is. So I'm 31. Where's the OK button? They didn't light this up because they're so fucking cheap. Yeah, of course, $1. Or option 1. Okay, and then enter because you're indecisive. Enter the hours. Okay, 1 hour. Damn, that's more questions, my ex-girlfriend. Okay, $2. You ready for payment? Yeah, I guess. I mean, I want to shove the money in. There you go. Take it. Anthony's gonna take the camera. Thanks, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, I was just filming my little rant about, you know, this is what you do. In and out, right? They said no in and out. Weird. Yeah, stop fucking with this.
How do you feel about this camera?
I really don't like it because it doesn't want to take the money. It's super loose when I put my dollar in. There you go. Oh, there we go. I gave you your money. I didn't even pay for it.
You owe $0.
Sick. I love when I owe $0. Please wait. I gotta send it to Wi-Fi. Korea's gotta give it approved.
Nope, you're not a Hyundai, so you can't park here. We're just gonna take your money.
Right? Okay to print the receipt. Okay. If you're gonna lie and say I didn't.
Meanwhile, look at that Evo.
Oh, an old one. Evo 8. I think, right? So do I just put this on my dash?
No, you can
How do they know if I paid or not?
go check your phone number.
Oh. Okay. Sick. Weird. I hate this shit. I'll go to Mellow Mushroom. I'll be pissed if they're all like, oh, we're just leaving.
Tom, how do you feel about this situation?
Yeah, you're 30. Live one.
Did he burn a hole in the ozone?
He burned a hole in his pants.
So yeah, the ozone. So if someone gets it through your pants, you go, oh.
What?
Or ooh, the ozone.
The ozone? Give me my fucking vape so I can help the ozone. Yes, everyone at home, I believe that if you vape more, we'll save the ozone.
So you need to blow that in Dom's pants.
I don't think I should be blowing anything to Dom's pants at all. I send the wrong message. So we gotta be done by 10:42.
Totally not them.
You just recording some random people?
Pretty much.
Nice.
Kind of creepy. I don't see him. I don't see him.
They're probably at the bar.
There's Dom.
Yep, we see Dom.
Dom over there looking majestic as shit on his phone, smoking a cigarette.
That's just how Dom normally looks though. Thank you.